Hello friends, Namaste. This is Bharat Ahuja and you are on DevTech. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing and hit that bell icon so that you get notified about my future videos. So in today's video, we are going to talk about how to do a haircut at home. So make sure you watch this video till the end. And if you like this video, give me that thumbs up, share your comments and share this video with your friends. So I'm going to talk about a few trimmers before we jump to the video on how to do a haircut at home. So if you do not want to know about any of these gadgets or devices, you can directly jump to this timestamp and look at the video. But I'm going to talk about a few devices first. So the first thing that is must have is this. I call it a beard catcher, but it can also be used for any kind of hair falling off in your bathroom, in your wash basins, or wherever you're doing a haircut. This is a very good device. So this one, the way it's used is, these are the suction cups that you put on the glass where you are standing, and the two hooks or the loops, they go in this suction cup that go on the glass, and the other corner, this one goes in your neck. So you put this on your shoulders and you catch all the hair in this. So that way you don't have to do the cleanup. The mess is all in this. All you do is you just clean this in the dustbin or wherever you want to flush it out. So this is the first thing, a must-have thing if you are planning to do some beard trimming or haircut at home. So I'm going to put this here so that even I don't create any mess. The next device that I have is this. This is a Philips trimmer. It has a battery, just a single AA battery, and it lasts almost 6 months to a year based on your usage. This is a good trimmer for your nose, for your ears, and wherever else you want to trim those small hair. It also came with a small eyebrow trimmer which I lost, so that's a one good thing you should have. Second thing is this. If you do not want to get that one, this is a rechargeable version of that, and this is like a complete grooming kit. This is like 5 or 6 adjustment in one. So in this you get this main gadget. It's not very powerful, you have to charge it for very long and it works only for 15-20 minutes, but again, you don't have to use the batteries, or you don't have to get new batteries every time. You can just recharge it and use it. It has a built-in battery. It has this one trimmer for your shaving purpose. You can take off the clamp and use it. This is a flexible one. It also has some other adjustments like your eyebrow trimmer, or a nose trimmer that you have in that Philips one, or a trimmer for your ear hair or somewhere else, or if you want to give a shape to your beard, this is a very good adjustment that you can, and all you have to do is just put in and twist, and that's it. You can use it. Another adjustment that it has specifically for nose is this. So this is called the nose trimmer, and obviously you know what it can be used for. The next trimmer that it has is this. This is a smaller one. You can shape your beard or you can use it for a different purpose, and it comes with a cable and a brush to clean the leftover hair. The next device or trimmer that I have is this. This is called Philips Norelco, and the series 3100 is kind of the best one that I have seen so far. It has this good adjustment to shave your back hair by yourself, and it has multiple alternatives. So let me pull it out. So it has multiple adjustments. It comes with a handle. It can adjust at multiple levels. It has a charger, a charging stand, and one more level. So you can just put it on charging like this. The device is waterproof but not 100%. This circuit is open, so if you are using it under shower or water, be careful not to get this circuit wet, because this will connect here for charging and this may get short. So yeah, other than this area, the remaining is all waterproof, and this blade, when you press it hard, it comes out for cleaning. And if you want to use it to clean your back hair or the area where you cannot reach directly, you just put this trimmer in the handle and use it at your back. This is an amazing tool to clean your grow in area. You know what I mean. It is good for back, shoulders, chest, abs, underarms, grow in area and legs. So this is kind of a complete body groomer. So we are not going to do this to cut the hair from the head, but for all the remaining areas, this is the best tool. I'm going to put in the link to the product, and it also comes with a brush to clean the trimmer. And this one also has a good battery life. Once charged, you can use it for almost 50 minutes, which is more than enough to get your whole body cleaned. And last but not the least, my cheapest option. The brand is called Conair. This is a basic trimmer. I'm not going to go with hi-fi trimmers. We are going to use this trimmer for the haircut, and this comes with multiple adjustments. So if you buy this whole box for $15, I mean that's what I bought in Walmart US. This comes with your left ear trimmer, a right ear trimmer, and some levels from 1 to 7. So this is not a wireless one, this is a wired one, and it hardly costs $15 in US. So you can get a similar tool. In India you have this MI brand for 1200 or 1300 rupees, and here in Canada also you can find something similar. So we're going to use this for the haircut. So what we are going to do is, let me jump to the haircut. So we are going to pick up the left ear trimmer and the right ear trimmer to adjust our side locks. Then I'm going to use the level 7 to do a overall cleanup other than the front, and then I'm going to use level 3 to do the sides. So if you look at the head, it has the circle. So take the above upper section on the level 7, the sides and the back, the left side and the right side as well as the back, they will go to level 3, and the top level except the front will go at level 7. For the front we will manually cut it, and to do that we need a scissor and a comb. If not scissor, we can do it with the comb and the trimmer, but we do still need the scissor to give it a finishing touch. So I'm going to show you how exactly we're going to do this. So let's jump to the bathroom now. So before we start with the haircut, it's always a good idea to give a nice wash to your hair. Wash them with some shampoo and conditioner, and post that you can give them a nice blow dry. Like I got this dryer and I'm going to dry them around. It's good to have them clean and dry so that they don't stick around. So let's start with the sideburns. So let's take the right side first. So if you don't have these, you can try level 1. So we will first get the right side done, and then we will get the left side done. And once that's done, we will now go to the level 7 and do it on the top of the head. So with the level 7, we are going to do this area, the top and the sides and the back. We're going to leave the front for now, and that way we can get this sides, top and the back done. Once that is done, we're going to take off the level 7, come down to level 3. We're going to exclude the top and the front. We're going to start with the sides, the left side, the right side and the back, all of it. Then we're going to take off level 3, and for the finishing touch from the sides and the back, you can do it at 0 level. You can give it this touch on the right and the back and the bottom or the sides. If you have someone to help you, you can ask them to do it from the back, because it's not that easy to do it by yourself from the back. So once that is done, now you come to the front. Now just make sure you don't point your hair down and give it a cut. Rather, take your hair up with the comb, raise them up, and when you put it like this and then you move this trimmer, that's where you get the good level. If you pull them in the front and you cut them and then when you pull them up, you might not see a good level. So that is the only trick. Other than the front hair, everything else is just smooth. If you feel your hair are too dry to get in the trimmer, it's a good idea to apply some water so that you can have them a nice cut and give them a good level. Just be careful with the front because that's what takes care of your look. If you are a perfectionist like me, you can try using the scissor and the comb and give a finishing touch to your hair from the top, from the sides. And if you feel that you are used to bringing your hair in the front, you can bring all your hair on the front and give them a nice finishing touch so that you don't get them in your eyes. And this is just for the finishing touch. Once you are done with the cut, give yourself a nice wash with the shampoo, a good conditioner, and give yourself a blow dry with the dryer, or if you are fond of using gels, you can use gel. I usually don't like gel, and especially these days I'm not going anywhere, so no point. I have tried it once, it works well. I did not want to make a video before I tried to myself, so give it a try. Let me know if you have questions or if you are doubtful about something and want to know something before you try. Also leave a comment below and I'll respond to that. Or if in case you want to know more about any of these other gadgets, let me know. I can make a separate video for these. Or in general, if you have any questions, comments or feedback, please let me know and I'll make a separate video on that, or I will answer your questions. If you're looking to buy that product, I'll put the product link in the video description so that you can click that and buy it, and that way Amazon will also give me some affiliate reference. How did you find this video? Was it useful? Let me know your feedback if this video was exceeding your expectation, met expectation, or was it below expectation. And share your comments and feedback for my future improvement. So hope to see you again in some other video. Till then, goodbye.